Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Today we'll look at a very common situation that can easily confuse a novice driver. The most important thing here is to be attentive and remember the basic rules, even when there are no signs or lane markings. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So look carefully at the screen. Who won't break the rules in this situation? A. The driver of the blue car. B. The driver of the yellow car. C. Both won't break the rules. D. Both will break the rules. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So let's figure it out. In order to quickly and correctly answer this question, you should correctly assess the situation in the picture. We see two cars that have arrived at the intersection at the same time in adjacent lanes. Thanks to the arrows, we see that the blue car is about to make a U-turn, while the yellow car is about to turn left. The first thing we need to do is monitor the traffic signs. We just see the sign in this picture. U-turns are prohibited at this intersection. Accordingly, the blue car in this case violates the traffic rules. As for the yellow car, everything is simple here. A left turn must be made from the far left lane, unless otherwise indicated on the signs or markings. In this case, we do not see any other identification marks or lane signs in the picture. Accordingly, based on what we see in the picture, the yellow car also violates the traffic rules. Thus, the correct answer is D. So admit it, who of you answered quickly and correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.